We have a problem. When I record videos, I cannot see myself. Like right now, I cannot see myself. To solve this problem, I decided to make a new display. I know, it sounds weird, but let's do it. Wait, we need to write all the steps what we will do. Take our beautiful screen, remove all the screws. Why it's not... Oh. What a big mess. Disconnect all the cables before removing all the screws inside. So I removed all the parts and now tape all the parts we don't want to mess with them. Okay, the case is ready, but we need to buy the paint. Let's go! Finally, I arrived at home. Let's send this case.
It's the fuse of a live bomb on the bridge with a icon. Flow snap, vivid like the Nikon. Been cold with the vibe warm. Keep it locked like the vice arm. They got her twisted like the coat arm. Heart side froze like the snowstorm. Her toe bag makes a throat charm. She from the land of the sand where they flex so soda when I drink mint model left home.
Take all the parts for painting and enjoy my favorite part. Wait a minute. Let's keep working. The paint is dry and it's looking pretty good.
You at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop. No.
Now we need to put all the parts back.
Won't stop. I won't stop. No. I won't stop. Yeah. I'm so handsome. All in Carmine's with my Vans.
Done. Buttons work perfectly, but we need to fill it with some electronics.
Got my baby and she right, she make you vanish. No time to play, got book dates.
Turn on your soldering iron and solder the wires. The red and black wire are the 12 volt, the brown and black wire are video, and the red is audio. I made this little case for good luck and let's see if it works. And it works. Wait. Why did I make this? Oh, see ya!